So guys, make sure to stay until the end, because if you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stay until the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have a problem guys where actually the AC air conditioner blows hot, warm air on the passenger side dash air vent, but cold air on the driver's side, you want to see what can cause that, how to fix it, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So if the AC air conditioner guys blows hot, warm air on the passenger side air vent, and you wonder what causes that, okay, how you can fix it. The first thing you want to check is your climate control fuses, because it could be simple fix, then we'll explain what else you need to check. Now, quick reminder guys, 9 out of 10 people that own that Dodge Challenger do not know about the all fuse box locations on that Dodge Challenger. We will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about Dodge Challenger fuse box location. Go ahead, open the hood, and facing the engine here guys, on the left side, you see you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs here, open that cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, what we need to check first, fuses, then we'll explain what else can cause that. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. And here if we zoom in a little bit, the fuses that we need to check, multiple fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. First we're talking about fuse number guys 12, which is that fuse right here. You need to check fuse number 39, and you need to check guys relay 43 right there. Then you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Challenger. On the very back, lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire, car battery. Behind it you have a fuse box. That's a closer look. Press this tab, open that cover, and you're going to find that fuse box here. Specifically guys, here we need to check fuse number 15 right there. Then here, let's zoom in a little bit. Here guys, you see that fuse 25 next to it, that's fuse number 32, it's a 15 fuse. Check that fuse, very important fuse. Next you need to check fuse number 53, which is that 10 fuse right here. And you want to guys check relay 71, this one right here as well. Now, other things. You may need to check your climate control switch to make sure that it works correctly, that it changes the temperature. You may have a bad climate control sensor, that's the temperature sensor in the cabin that detects how hot or how cold it is, but usually if it goes bad you'll be able to scan the system and find that you have a problem. But 9 out of 10 times guys will be that device right here. This is known as a blend door actuator. It attaches to a flap and it regulates the temperature from hot to cold. Now on the inside it has plastic gears right here that wear out, crack, they start skipping, or the motor burns and it doesn't work anymore, or it works only sometimes, and as a result it may get stuck in the wrong position. When you turn it on AC, it may be still on hot, on heater, and when you turn it to a heater setting, it may be stuck in air conditioner setting. So bad blend door actuator will be 9 out of 10 times causing that problem. If you want to see how to test blend door actuator, if you want to know the symptoms of bad blend door actuator, we have the videos on the channel that will guys teach you how to do that step by step. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.